Have you ever wondered what the inside of a filter actually looks like? What's really in there? If the answer is yes, stick around, I'm going to show you. I'm Gabriel Blevins, Training Manager at Donaldson Academy, and today we're going to take a look inside a filter to see how it's built and how it works. This edition of Filtered from Donaldson. We've all been told it's what's inside that counts. So we're taking that a step further by looking inside a filter and learning how it works. First thing I notice when I pull this filter out of the can is that the filter is sealed to this piece called the baffle plate. This seal separates the clean side from the dirty side of the filter. Most filters have what's called a standard flow path. Dirty fluid enters these small holes in the baffle plate. The fluid then goes around the end cap through the filter media where it gets cleaned and then exits this large hole in the center. When we look at the baffle plate on the other side, we're now looking at the external side where we have an external seal. This seal prevents fluid from escaping and getting to the outside. Quality filters like this one are going to have really good seals on the inside and outside to prevent leakage. Here's another engine oil lube filter that has a bypass valve built into it. Think of this as a safety measure. If the filter were to get completely plugged, it would starve the engine of the lubricating oil that it needs. In that situation, we still need the fluid to flow. So once the pressure builds high enough, the bypass valve opens and allows the oil to flow directly from the dirty side to the clean side. It's not ideal, but running your equipment without proper lubrication won't end well. The filter cartridge itself starts with a long piece of media that's cut to length, pleated, rolled up around a tube, and then glued in place. This is the material that's actually catching the contaminants. There are lots of different types of filter media, so make sure to find one that's able to stop the particle sizes that you have in your circuits. Donaldson creates proprietary media that strives to find a balance of life and efficiency. This filter includes high-efficiency Syntec media from Donaldson. It's rated to remove more than 90% of contaminants at 10 microns or larger. This tube has some interesting design features to it as well. The tube contains a series of louvers that are engineered to protect the filter by allowing consistent flow while providing enough strength to prevent a filter collapse. Next, I want to show you the spring at the bottom of the can. You need a strong spring that can push the filter onto the seal to help the clean side and the dirty side stay separated. There are other methods, but a spring is the most common. From the outside, most filters look similar, and that's because the construction of the can is pretty straightforward. The can should feel strong and durable and shouldn't have any flex to it. When you see a baffle plate with threads that extend outwards like this, versus going down into the baffle plate, the advantage is for strength. These threads improve the integrity of the baffle plate and are much less prone to failure. Donaldson also does rigorous stress testing. This is important because filters are subjected to lots of different forces on an actual engine. Dented and damaged cans can compromise the filter's seal and performance, which can lead to downtime. I hope this provides a good explanation of what happens inside a lube filter, so when it's time to change your filter, you will know that it's what's inside that counts. Thanks for watching this episode of Filtered, where we explore filter-related topics and best practices. Ready to learn more? Follow the links below or sign up to become a Donaldson Insider.